spent or being spent for government purposes. If any such things are happening, they should be investigated and stopped. The donations given to the temples must be used for only religious purposes, only for Hindu purposes and not for secular purposes. That is our stand. So if anybody is doing that, we object to that and it should be stopped. We will go to the court for that also. Also, it is our stand that only Hindus should be employed in the administration of the Hindu temples. Nobody else who does not believe in God, Hindu God and Hindu way of religious puja should be employed there. Thirdly, now in Tirupati temple also, people are not declaring that they are Hindus or they believe in Venkataramana. Without declaring, including the chief minister, nobody should be allowed inside. Participate in rebuilding of this temple. To maintain the financial transparency, Shri Rama Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra Trust has given 3 systems. One is online Samarpan, then receipt books for larger Samarpans, as well as for other people 10 rupee, 100 rupee and 1000 rupee coupons. This rebuilding of the temple is to fulfill the aspirations of generations of Hindus who have battled and sacrificed their lives. Over 3.5 lakh Hindus have up till now sacrificed their lives for rebuilding this temple. This temple will be built in pink granite without using cement or iron, and we expect that the temple will last for over 1000 years. People from all over Bharat, from every section of the society, every caste, creed, panth, sampradaya will be participating in building this temple. Because Bhagwan Shri Ram is Adarsha for Hindu society, for social harmony, for triumph of good over evil, for the establishing the respect for women, for living for a Adarsha Hindu. That is why building of this temple is very, very important for the Hindu society. This temple is a symbol of devotion as well as the Hindu pride as well as Hindu asmita. And that is why all over the country people are joining with this in a very enthusiastic way. From Makar Sankranti, 15 January to 27th February, Magha Purnima, this public outreach program for temple rebuilding will go on. On the first day, the first citizen of Bharat, Shri Manya Rashtrapati Ji, our President of Bharat, has joined with this Abhiyan. Many actors like Akshay Kumar, Hema Malini, all of these people have publicly joined with this Abhiyan. So it will go on in Andhra Pradesh also. We are going to reach all the villages in Andhra Pradesh and over 1 crore families in Andhra Pradesh for this Abhiyan. Thank you.